In this video, I want to show you how we can use the old type of WordArt in these newer versions of Microsoft Word. So let us type our word here, old school WordArt. And you want to use the old type of WordArt, the one we used to play with in the 2000s. Here we go. So you'll go to File and then Save As. Choose a destination folder. I'll choose a desktop in my case, and then old school WordArt. And then where we have to choose the type of document, save as type, click for options and choose 97 Word 97 2003 document, and then save your work to the desktop. You can now go to Insert, WordArt, and you'll find the old type of WordArt, which is more flexible than the one we have right now.